I'm at Sylken today. It's a 3-bedroom detached bungalow situated on the road between Hallworthy and Otterham Station. It has one neighbour, a bungalow which is across the garden. You can't see it really behind some trees. And it's very easy from here. It's a short car distance to the beach, the North Cornwall coast, on the road to Camelford very quickly, and in turn to Bude, and then carry on up to Barnstaple. So or down the other way to the left, and you'll find yourself in Truro eventually, or anywhere further down in Cornwall. And A30 is pretty accessible as well, because you've got the 395 running along the back of us here as well. So not very far from anywhere, but it does give you a sense of privacy because you haven't got the neighbours. And inside, the bungalow is well laid out. There's 3 bedrooms that are double in size. I feel you could get a double bed in each of them. The kitchen is a kitchen diner with a conservatory off, and the living room is a nice size as well. It is a little bit dated, and I would have thought that the buyers, whoever they may be, would like to put their own mark on the place. You've got a nice big garden here. You can make vegetable patches, and currently, you'll see from the video, and currently you can drive around so that you're facing the right way to get back on the road. As you can hear, it's quite a fast road, but it's not terrible. Right, let's have a look around inside of Sylken. So we're coming through the entrance hall, which is nice and wide. You've got a cupboard there as well, which is useful. And then you've got this lovely big living room, nice picture window. And then the other window there just looks out onto the side of the road. Interestingly, that's the wood burner. And as you can see, it's open to the kitchen. So double whammy, really. That works alongside the central heating system. There's an oil-fired boiler here, which keeps the rest of the property toasty. Here we are in the kitchen diner. You can see there's a small conservatory on the side here. Fencing's all just been replaced as well. You can see the kitchen, a little bit dated. I think most people would probably do something to change that. And then we're going to walk down the hall to the bathroom, which is a grey suite, tiled walls, and you've got your electric shower there. Got a separate toilet as well, so there's a toilet in the bathroom as well as the separate one. This is probably the bedroom 2. You've got 2 really good size bedrooms. You can see for miles out here. This is the biggest bedroom at the front of the property. It's got a nice wardrobe, slidey wardrobe there as well. And then this is the 3rd bedroom, which you can see is a good size, overlooks the front, as does bedroom 1. And there's plenty of room in here for a bed. So inside the garage, you have facility here to plumb in your washing machine. You can see there's a sink, so great utility room. And then the garage itself is a doubler, 2 doors, plenty of space, nice and dry by the looks of it. This is the back of the property. So you've got another shed, and you can just about see the conservatory just in there. Nice view across some fields. There's another neighbour just over there. And then this is the back of the garage. You can see you've got a pedestrian door in there.